Unblocking someone on Facebook is simple and can be done directly from the Facebook app. If you previously blocked a profile and now want to reconnect or allow interaction again, follow these updated steps carefully for 2026 versions of the app. Open the Facebook applications on your mobile device and log into your account if required. Tap the menu icon, usually shown as three horizontal lines, located at the top left on Android or bottom right on iOS. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings to open your account options. Inside Settings, find the Audience and Visibility section and tap Blocking to view all blocked profiles. You will see a list of people and pages you have blocked, along with their names and profile icons. Find the person or page you want to unblock, then tap the Unblock button next to their name. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your choice before proceeding. Tap Unblock again to finalize the action and restore full interaction with that profile. After completing these steps, the user will be removed from your blocked list immediately. You can now visit their profile, send friend requests, or interact normally again, depending on their privacy settings. This method works on the latest 2026 version of Facebook and may slightly vary depending on device or updates. Always ensure your app is updated for the best experience and security improvements. Done. The person is now unblocked and you can interact with them again anytime through Facebook normally.